Hello everyone and hello friend. Good evening. So usually now I sit in front of my student and you want to see my student guys. Now this is my student. Chung, say hi Chung. Hi. Hi. Okay guys, that is my student. So everyone, now usually I'm teaching and taruh sana. Sapu sapu. So everyone, so now usually I'm teaching to all students and I'm teaching Islam, agama Islam now. So now in night the weather not good because start from prayer asar the weather not good and turn little rain until now guys, and maybe in night maybe in 12 o'clock the rain is big. So now I'm in my room. So my true story now. I will tell you about my story. So everyone, in night I'm sleep not with friend but I'm with my teacher in here in my room. So in night I don't sleep because the rain turn and my room often wetter, so I'm get wet because the rain turn big, not small, not little. So I change in my room because my carpet get wet by the rain. So maybe I hope now the weather good, but I wanna the rain turn, but not in night. But so I wanna turn rain in after Isha until 10 o'clock. Yes. I don't want the rain turn in 12 o'clock until subuh because this is I'm sleep, so I don't sleep because in my room the sun the rain is big. And usually after I make vlog I'm teaching and I'm teaching reading the Holy Quran and other guys. Selamat sarap. And in tomorrow I have subject maybe and in tomorrow start from today in every day I'm meeting with all my friend about festival because my festival coming soon, maybe in date 8, 9 and 10 in May, month May. So I hope even festival is good, nothing problem, and my lecture like my festival guys. because this is festival final semester. So now until now I don't complete with my friend because a lot of problem and other. So Hansly even the next week, but because my lecture not nothing in Lombok, so my lecture go to Jakarta and then Pasar. So this is problem for me in class. So my lecture can go to my festival in date 8, 9, 10 May. So everyone, usually now after I'm teaching, I'm enjoy with my friend, and maybe in night I wanna sell the perfume because I'm buying in online shop. So now I wanna sell all perfume to all students. So I'm buying three aroma, and one aroma is Zarat Hawaii, and Sobaya and Lovely. And this is aroma is okay because aroma is fresh and citrusy, guys. So everyone, in night I'm sleep in 3 o'clock because I don't sleep because a lot of problem and other. So I'm woke up in subuh and I'm fire subuh, and after that I'm continue my sleep because the rain turn little, guys. So this is good for sleep. So everyone, I'm buying perfume in online shop, but I'm nothing money, and money don't enough for buy the perfume. So in afternoon I'm borrow money in my friend, so by Fathul Bari, and I'm borrow is 50. And until now I don't change money, my friend. So maybe I change tomorrow or on the next day. So everyone, now the time is 8 and 18 p.m. o'clock. So maybe I'm start to teaching in 8:30 p.m. o'clock now. And now maybe I'm ask all my student for learn yesterday. And usually before I'm teaching, I'm asked to all students about learn in yesterday. So everyone, my body maybe now not good because now I'm flu, and maybe I'm flu because the rain, uh, because rain. Ah, this is a problem to my body because I'm not focused for teaching because flu, guys. And I hope all of you now don't flu because now the rain turn, and I hope my friend and I hope my friend and everyone, all of you, guard body, guys, guard body. So it is if you sick, you cannot working and you cannot eating good. So if you sick, uh, you cannot eating good, and you don't eating food uh, good and other. So you cannot working, you cannot use motorcycle and other. But if you don't sick, you can adventure, you can eating food and other. And so you can go to school and other. Huh? Tinta. You and my heart. Masih ada di lemari ya? Sorry, I wanna see the time. Gotta let it go. Will you stay? You can stay away forever. Without no one's Tinta. Kan kalian yang kasih saya. Kan kalian, siapa yang bayar kemarin? Sading. Mana Sading? Belum balik ya. Sepi dah tuh. So everyone, in my class, I have students sick, and I hope all of you mendoakan my student so not sick now, guys. So everyone, maybe in all video in YouTube, maybe I'm speak not good. I hope my friend not enter to your heart, because now I'm learn to speak. I'm study to speak. I'm trying to speak English. Maybe if my speak not good, I hope my friend not enter to your heart. Okay, guys, thank you very much to all of you, because all of you always watching my video, and I see in my YouTube channel, in all my video, all of you watching and comment, and thank you so much, and thank you very much to all of you, and I hope all of you as well. Okay, now I wanna off my video and see you next time.